Hi everybody, in this video I'll show you the ways on how can you reset Xbox account password if forgotten. To reset your Xbox account password if forgotten, you can follow these steps. Here what you need to do is open up your mobile device and open up the browser. Then type in Xbox login, and when you go to this section you want to click on the link that is www.xbox.com. Then you want to click on a sign in button. As you do it, so it's going to take you to this page. So what you have to do is basically you want to click on your username or type in your email address associated with your account and tap on the next button. As you do it, so it's going to ask you to verify your email. So a code has been sent. So here it is my code. What you need to do is for the password, you simply want to click on forgot your password. It is going to then direct you to the next field where you need to go ahead and enter in or verify your identity. For that, a verification code will be sent to the registered Outlook account. You simply want to do it, so enter in the information and click on get code. As you do it, so then you'll be able to reset your password. So that is how you could go ahead and reset your password if you forgot on your Xbox account. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.